All right, let's dive into the engine room of strategy, how to build, lead, and manage great teams.
You know how it is. Organizations have these amazing strategies on paper, but reality, it gets messy.
So why is there such a huge gap between the plan and what actually happens?
It all comes down to one thing: people. Strategy gets done by teams, not by a document.
And we've got to know the difference. All teams are groups, but not all groups are teams.
Think about strangers at a bus stop. They're just a collection of individuals. That's a group. But what if the bus crashes? Suddenly, a shared purpose creates a team. Instantly.
You've got your formal groups on the org chart, but don't underestimate the informal ones, like the lunch crew.
But you know, teams have a dark side, and for your exam, you have to be able to spot these problems.
First up, the Ringelmann effect. The bigger the group, the less hard people work. It's easy to hide. Then there's groupthink, which is so dangerous. It's when agreeing becomes more important than being right. Which leads to the bizarre Abilene paradox, a group agreeing to do something not a single person wants.
Now, teams develop in stages. Tuckman's model shows this journey, and leaders have to adapt to each step.
That storming stage? Yeah, it's painful. But that conflict is actually necessary to build real trust.
Belbin's research is fantastic. It shows that great teams need a balance of different personality roles to work.
Because, a team of clones is just set up to fail. You need that balance.
So, the very best teams, they share some key traits, like a crystal clear purpose and deep commitment.
And if you're lucky, the team starts gelling. That's the magic moment where everything just clicks. The old hero leader is gone. Modern leadership is shared, kind of like how a flock of geese flies.
And let's be clear, delegation is not the same as empowerment. One is giving a task, the other is giving ownership.
And always remember the golden rule. You can delegate authority, but you can never delegate ultimate responsibility. So for your exam, here's the key. Don't just define. Diagnose the problem, then prescribe the solution.
Now take this with you. In your next work meeting, stop and ask, are we on a trip to Abilene?
You should be the person who's brave enough to ask that question. Seriously, it could change everything.